I love this kid. We have done it all, beat each other up. He's split my head open with a van rear hatch. He's split my forehead open with a plastic horse, I believe it was. I've laid him out in the dirt playing lacrosse in the backyard. We've gone through it all. Love him. Would not trade you for anyone except for Jess. There are very few organic meetings in relationships these days. I feel like Tinder, the whole cell phone world has taken over relationships. These two are following the footprints of you two. And I could not be any happier to see two people doing it the right way, and it's going to last forever. Because when you do it the right way, you get through the crap, you get through the heartache, you get through your brother being crazy a month before your wedding and asking every question under the sun. You get through it, you make it. Because love runs deeper than anything in this world, and you two have it.
Today is the day. I can't believe I get to marry such an amazing guy like yourself. I'm truly the luckiest woman alive. You make me the happiest I've ever been. I love everything about you. How much we can be silly together and how much you make me laugh. I love how alike we are and finish each other's thoughts. I never knew I would find someone like you. I want to thank you for all the things that you have done for me and will continue to do. You're the sweetest guy, not only to me, but everyone you meet. You are the best. You are my best friend and my soulmate. I love you more than anything. I'm so ready to be married, and make an amazing life together. See you later. Love you to the moon and back, Desi.
Welcome you to just a fantastic day. So I was honored, obviously, to be asked by my godson and his fiancée to do this. So, to you, my friend, couldn't be more proud of you. Hell of a guy and a better friend. And for you to be standing up here to marry the love of your life, and quite frankly, in my eyes, has brought out the very best in you. Completes the perfect couple. But in all honesty, that's what I've learned, through the years. You boil it down, really simply put, it's your marriage. Make it what you two want. Invest in every little detail you can. And for every ounce of energy you have, you be there for each other. If you do that, I swear to you, your marriage will be fantastic and you have a bright, bright future ahead. Okay? Jess, do you promise to encourage Matthew to always pursue his dreams? A little louder, they can't hear you.
I do.
There you go. Will you promise to always remain at Matthew's side, to be his best friend, and remain loyal to him?
I do.
Do you promise to always remind Matthew how much you love him? Do you promise to always be the person you were that day, and continue to take chances so that you can remain happy? Oh yeah. Do you promise to always support Jess in everything she does?
I do.
Do Do you promise to remain at Jess's side, be her best friend, and remain loyal to her?
I do.
Do you promise to remind Jess every single day how much you love her?
I do.
When I met you at a wedding 5 years ago, little did I know it was the beginning of the rest of my life. Before I met you, I never knew how much I could love someone and how much someone could love me. You have one of the biggest hearts out of anyone I've ever met, and I'm the most giving, selfless person in the world. As we stand here in front of everyone today, I promise to love you in the good times, the bad times, to laugh with you, to cry with you. I promise to show you every day how much I love you and how truly lucky I am to have you in my life. You're my best friend, and I couldn't be happier than I am today. I'm so blessed to be able to call you my husband, and I can't wait to see where the rest of our life takes us. I love you.
Jess, the past 5 years have been the best years of my life. When I moved to Milton, I had no idea I would be here today marrying not only my best friend, but my soulmate. For a long time, I didn't know what that was like. I finally know it's someone that you want to spend every second of every day with and never get sick of their company. You have so much in common with someone you feel like you've known each other for years. You're the kindest and most loving person I know, and I promise to love you unconditionally, no matter how many times you yell at me to stop breathing so damn loud while we're sleeping at night. I will always be by your side every day, no matter what life brings us. You are my rock, my whole world, and I can't wait to spend the rest of my life together, rest of our lives together, as your husband. I love you, always and forever.
Matthew, as you place the ring on Jess's finger, please repeat after me. With this ring, I marry you and bind my life to yours.
With this ring,
I marry you.
Okay.
With this ring, I marry you
with this ring, I marry you,
and bind my life to
and
yours.
bind my life to yours.
It is a symbol of my eternal love,
It is a symbol of
my everlasting friendship,
my everlasting friendship,
and the promise of all my tomorrows.
and the promise of all my tomorrows.
Jess, as you place this ring on Matthew's finger, please repeat after me. With this ring, I marry you
With this ring, I marry you
and bind my life to yours.
and bind my life to yours.
It is a symbol of my everlasting friendship
It is a symbol of my everlasting friendship
and the promise of all my tomorrows.
and the promise of all my
Matthew, you may now kiss your bride.